this computer. Today is the 14th of December 2023, and we are doing our Arabic course, which is book 1. You guys have done your Quran recitation, Surah to Yunus. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yusuf.
Yusuf, yeah, that's what we recited today. So we have to do our revision before we start the main topic of the day. So may I ask the 3 learners to read 2 lines, or let's say 2 sentences each the first time, or the second time you read 1 sentence each. So please, Fidaus, begin.
الكتاب جديد والقلم قديما. The book is new and the pen is old. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big.
طيب.
الكرسي مكسور. The chair is broken. المنديل وسيك. The handkerchief is dirty.
Okay, طيب.
الماء بارد. The water. الماء بارد. The water is cold. القمر جميل. The moon is beautiful.
طيب. Next.
البيت قريب والمسجد بعيد. The house is near and the mosque is far.
Next.
الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف. The stone is heavy and the paper is light.
اللبن حار. The milk is warm.
The milk is?
Is it hot?
Yes, hot. And the 2 of you, the last one?
القميص نظيف.
The shirt
is clean.
It's clean. Very good. MashaAllah. We've done this as well. Ending, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Masjidun al-masjidu. So we don't have to waste time on this. We've done that. We've done that. We've done that. We've done this as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Let's go straight to the new topic. Today, we're looking at Al-Huroof Al-Qamariyyah wa Al-Huroof Al-Shamsiyyah. The introduction is Al-Huroof Al-Qamariyyah. We've learned Qamar, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
What is Qamaru?
Moon.
Yes, Al-Qamaru, Al-Qamariyyah, Al-Qamariyyah, and Ash-Shamsiyyah. So what I wanted to explain about the Alif and Lam, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I think this also comes up here, okay? Ash-Shamsiyyah. Okay? So what is Al-Qamariyyah?
The moon.
The moon.
Oh, my bad.
What about Ash-Shamsiyyah?
The sun.
The sun.
The sun. Now, based on the rule of Alif and Lam, okay? Alif and Lam, when you see it at the beginning of a verse, sometimes you pronounce it as A, sometimes you pronounce as E, sometimes you pronounce as U. Okay. Now, the first rule, there are 3 rules based on this one. All right. So the first one is when Lam follows the Alif at the beginning of a sentence or a verse, then the Alif is going to be Fatiha.
Mm-hmm.
I repeat, anytime you see Alif and Lam at the beginning, if Lam follows Alif, okay, so the Alif will be pronounced as A, like Al-Qamaru. Okay? Al-Qamaru. Now, if you consider the 3rd haraka, the 3rd haraka, we just have like Fataha, no Shadda. Then you know you are going to pronounce the Lam. So Al-Qamaru. Now, in the case of this one, the 3rd haraka here will have what? Shadda. So you do not pronounce the lam, but you pronounce the ah. You ignore the what? The lam.
Lam.
So we say ashamsiya. Ashamsiya. So the two has alif and lam, but in the first case, you will say al-Qamariyyah. You pronounce the al-Qamariyyah, but here you say ashamsiya. You ignore the alif because the third haraka has got what? Has got shadda. Now, the case of when you are reading your Quran, when you see the alif, we call it amsa to the wasl. This sign on top of it. It's not Fatiha, it's not Kasra, it's not Dhamma, isn't it? It's just like this. So when lam follows, you pronounce as a. So the rule 2 says when lam doesn't follow, maybe another letter follow, like qaf. Okay? And it has Fataha here. So this one is going to be Kasra, like Iqra. Iqra. You do not say alif here. The reason why you don't say alif, because lam doesn't follow. So it's going to become what? Alif Kasra. Iqra. But if the third letter is Dhamma, like the one you recited, Saida, so the first letter is going to be Dhamma. So you pronounce the alif as Dhamma because the third haraka is Dhamma. So if it is Kasra, if it is Fatiha or Kasra, you pronounce as E. If you look at Surah to Al-Huroof, Iqra, you will see it begin with Iqra, Iqra bismi. We did not say Akra, we did not say Ukra. So basically, the three rules are: 1, if alif and lam follows, if lam follows, then we pronounce as what? Ah. But if lam doesn't follow, you need to consider the third haraka. Okay? So if the third haraka is Fatiha, then it becomes Kasra. The Fatiha will become what? Kasra. If the third haraka is still Kasra, the Fatiha is still going to be Kasra. But if the third haraka is Dhamma, then alif will becomes what? Dhamma. I'm going to send you a video so that you can understand it more better. So that's just an intro to that. But let's focus on this one. All right. Now, we call it Al-Qamariyyah and Ash-Shamsiyyah. So, in the Quran, you can't escape this one. Al-Huroof Al-Qamariyyah, which means there are some letters that begin with alif and lam. If the third haraka has shadda, so you are going to pronounce the alif. So here we say Al-Qamariyyah here. But if the third haraka doesn't have shadda, you ignore the lam. Like we say, Ash-Shamsiyyah. When we are reciting the Quran, we have a lot of examples that we can cite it. Let me go to the Quran and see. Any page you see, you are going to see this one. So because a lot of people do confuse, when can I say this alif and lam, or when do I know how to say it? Now, look here now. Okay, this is what? Al-Musta'anu. Ali. Do I pronounce the lam? Yes.
Yes.
And alif here, I will say Al-Musta'an. But if I don't want, if I'm reading from here, I'm going to ignore the alif. I will say Wallahu Musta'an. I will never say Wallahu Al-Musta'an. But I can say it if I am stopping at Wallahu. So I will say Wallahu Musta'an. If I ask you what huruf is this one? This one is Al-Huroof Al-Qamariyyah because the lam is pronounced. When the lam is not pronounced, you are going to say to me is Al-Huroof
Shamsiya.
Shamsiyyah. Okay, look at this one. What huruf is it?
Shamsiya.
Yes, because waqala la. This is even different. Waqala ladhi. The alif is not pronounced. Okay, but this is la ladina. Let me see another good example. Okay, here. What huruf is this one?
Qamariyyah.
Why is it Qamariyyah?
Because the lam.
The lam is pronounced, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, what huruf is this one?
Shamsia.
Why?
Because the
Lam.
lam is ignored.
Yeah, because the lam is ignored. So our topic today is all about Al-Huroof Al-Shamsiyyah and Al-Huroof what?
Qamariyyah.
Qamariyyah. Al-Qamariyyah. So we have the alif to whatever here, yeah, and we have on this side as an example of a Shamsiyyah. So there are some words that I will ask you to research on yourself as part of learning. There are some I'm going to tell you, there are some you already know. So these are the three things now. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So Baraka, are we together?
Yeah.
Said, are we together?
Yes.
Fidas, are we together? Okay, we normally finish at 9 o'clock, but spare me another 5-7 minutes, inshallah. So, you read one line each, please. Go on from Barakat, from Barakat number 1, Saida number 2, Fidas number 3. Go on.
Al-Abu, the father.
Saida,
Al-Babu, the door.
good.
Mhm.
Fidas,
I think she may be busy, but I think she'll come back and join us.
okay then, Barakat, continue then.
Al-Jannatu, the paradise.
Okay.
Al-Himari. Oh, you're back?
She's back?
Sorry, I didn't know I was muted.
Bruh.
Okay. So let's start again. You are going to read one by one and translate for me.
Okay.
Some answer will tell you, some answer I'm not going to tell you. I will ask you to go and do research on it.
Okay.
Okay, so now, Baraka, start.
Sorry.
Al-Abu, the father.
Mhm.
Al-Babu, the door.
Al-Jannatu, the paradise.
Al-Himaru, the donkey.
Al-Khubzu. I'm not sure what that is.
Anybody who show Al-Khubzu?
Bread.
Yeah, the bread and
Ooh. Ah, okay.
there are some
Al-Khubzu,
words
okay.
that we need to remember. We need to memorize them, okay? So
Okay.
please do remember that. Next, please.
Al-Ainu.
Mhm.
I don't know what that means.
Okay.
Eyes.
Anybody?
Mhm.
Eyes.
Okay, when we say Ainu, we are talking about our Oju.
Ooh.
Okay, and
Okay.
Ainu. Okay, Ojuni.
Okay.
And let me tell you this as well. Now, we have in English we have singular and plural, isn't it?
Yeah.
But in Arabic, we have singular, we have dual,
Yeah.
and we have plural. So anything that is two, all right, it is what? It is dual. Our eyes is dual, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's two. And again, some of the words in Arabic that end with a round term, okay? End with a round term, we consider it as feminine.
Yeah.
All right. So if it is not end with round term, we consider it as what? As
Masculine.
masculine. Now, my point here is in part of our body, anything that is two, okay, is not end with a round term, isn't it? Does it? I know. It's not
No.
end with a round term, but it's two, it's dual. I know. Okay. So let's move on. I will explain further again later, inshallah. When we get there.
Al-Ghada'u,
Mm-hmm.
is it like the deception or something like that?
The what?
Deception.
Reception.
Deception.
Deception.
Yeah. Or the lie or something like that.
Okay, let's move on. Next, please.
Al-Famu.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is.
Anybody?
The mouth.
Even for you to say
I was
this
gonna
word,
say
you already
tongue,
know the meaning. Fam mouth. Fam. Okay?
okay.
Fam mouth. Okay. Next, please.
Al-Qamaru, the
Mhm.
moon.
Okay.
Al-Kalbu, the dog.
Mm-hmm.
Al-Ma'u, the water.
Mm-hmm.
Al-Waladu, the boy.
Mm-hmm.
Al-Hawa'u, the flower.
Okay.
Oh, Al-Laydu. not
Yeah, no.
Oh, Yadu. Sorry, I'm not too sure.
Somebody's not to. What's Al-Yadu?
The hand.
Al-Yadu.
Is it hand?
Okay. Yadu. Owo
Okay.
or finger, yeah. Now, from 1 to 14, we are not going to look at Al-Huroof Al-Shamsiyyah today, only Al-Qamariyyah. Okay? So, now, which word you do not understand now? I'll give you 2 minutes to research. 2 minutes.
Wait, I don't remember what Baraka said.
Which one?
Qada'u.
For khubru.
Khubzu.
Yeah, khubzu.
Baraka, what did you say?
Bread.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
bread. Okay.
Whichever word you do not understand, just try to search for it now. For learning purpose. If you finish, please let me know. Tell me once you're ready, please. Because you read from beginning to the end for me. No, eh? Who is ready?
No, I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
It's only a few words you could not say now, isn't it?
What words was it? Was it question?
What's
was it
al-khabar? What's al-khubru?
Al-Khubzu.
No, not that one. Sorry, wait.
Which one?
Is it number 8?
What number?
Number 8.
Number 8.
No, number 7. Number 7, not number 8.
Have you searched it?
Number 7.
Have you searched
Al-ghada'u.
it?
I'm searching now.
Baraka, are you ready for us?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, go on.
Huh?
Go on from beginning.
What do you want me to do?
To read and translate.
From Al-Abu.
Yes, please.
Al-Abu, the father. Al-Babu, the door. Al-Jannatu, the paradise. Al-Himaru, the donkey. Al-Khubzu, the bread. Al-Ainu, the eyes. Al-Qada'u. I still don't know what that means.
And you say you are ready.
I was waiting for Thingy to search it up.
No.
I searched it up.
It's individual.
But it takes too long to like to write the letters.
You just have to type and say the meaning.
What's the meaning?
Anybody?
It said lunch, but I don't know. Don't know if that's right.
Is it lunch?
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, lunch.
The food for lunch, right?
And you know number 13, did you say it was flour?
Yeah.
It's saying it's air. But I don't know if that's right though. But
What is it?
Okay. This is what we call learning.
Is it
if
air?
I tell you everything,
yeah, it said
it's not
air.
good.
But I'll check again.
Okay, we are going to stop the session now. After you got it right, send them to me, please.
Can you like make a group chat?
Okay, I'll do that, inshallah. I'll do it, inshallah. That's good one. I'll do that, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.